I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll try to understand how to simplify complex numbers. Now, to simplify complex numbers, we need to know just two things. One is that square root of minus 1 is equal to I. That's the imaginary number, right? Second, whatever is there in the radical, we have to write it as a product of two numbers, one of which should be a perfect square. Then only you can simplify it further. Otherwise, you cannot simplify, right? So let's begin by doing the first question, which is 12 minus square root of minus 27 over 3. Now in this case, we can write 12 minus. Now this negative square root is I. So let's write I first outside. And then we are left with 27 square root divided by 3. So that's the first step. Now we need to write 27 as product of two numbers, one of which should be a perfect square. 9 times 3 is 27. So we'll use 9 times 3. So that gives us 9 square root is 3. So we can write 3i, and this square, within the square root, this 3 remains. At this stage, we can factor 3, or we can even write this as 12 over 3 minus 3i square root 3 over 3, correct? And simplify it further, write it as 4 minus I square root 3. So that is a simplified form. Let's follow these steps and do the next one, which is 35 minus square root of minus 50 divided by 5. So the first step for us is write down square root of minus 1 as I. So we have 35 minus I square root 50 divided by 5. The second step is we need to write square root 50 as product of two numbers, one of which is a perfect square. 25 times 2 works for us, right? So we can now write this as 35 minus, what is square root of 25? 5. So we can take that 5 out and leave 2 inside. Oh, sorry. So this is 5 in the denominator, right? Now 5 is a common denominator. You can actually factor 5 from the numerator. So we have 5, 7 minus I square root 2 divided by 5. This 5 can now be cancelled, and we can write this as 7 minus I square root 2. Do you understand? Do never cancel 5 with one of them. You have to, this is common denominator for both. So as we did in the previous one, that denominator divides both the terms, right? Or you can factor it and then cancel. So either way, you can simplify and get your answer. So these are the steps which you should follow to simplify a complex number given in this form. Thank you.